Do you ever find yourself caught between your love for gardening and a limited space to grow plants? That's the situation I'm in right now. So I bought some food-safe containers to expand my growing area. The only problem is, they are not that attractive to look at. So today, I'm going to build a stylish wood planter that perfectly disguises these 5-gallon buckets. I believe we can add a nice form to the function of these containers with a little scrap wood and some creativity. After taking the right stock and dimensions from this scrap pile, I'm ready to break down how this planter is going to look. These pieces are slats from an old Ikea bed frame. They'll work. For the design, I like to use Blender 3D to help me lay out all my projects. Here's a reference to the bucket. Here, I have already started with the top and bottom frames. Then I place the slats in a row to create the walls. The outside pieces will double as the legs for the planter. Now that I have the first side mapped out, I can duplicate it 3 more times to finish out the way it's going to look. 2 more pieces are attached at the bottom for support. Now that we have a plan, let's go build it. I'm going to start the measuring and cutting of slats by doubling them up to save some time. The pieces for the frame are next. I used 18 gauge 1-inch brads for this project. These standard butt joints will be able to handle the weight of the bucket, soil, and plants with no issues. But if any sagging occurs down the road, I'll come back with wood screws and tighten everything back up. Here is the frame coming together. And I run into my first problem. This bucket tapers as it gets to the bottom, so the diameter is larger at the top than near the lip. But the sides are flexible enough to let the frame make it all the way to the top. If the plants don't mind, then I'm alright with it. Now that the bottom frame is almost finished, I'm ready to add the slats. The first wall is ready to go. It's time to check that everything is still going to line up. The bottom of the frame slides in as expected, and the next thing to do is fasten it to the walls. Finally, I am adding the last 2 support pieces to the bottom. I don't expect these pieces to hold too much, but it should take some of the weight off the container's lip. And now it's finished. We have ourselves a beautiful wooden planter made from salvaged wood. In the future, I think I'll make a cover for the top. But for now, I'm really happy with this planter. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.